Hi to all guys and girls. Welcome to my channel English with Archie. Hopefully you all are taking steps in increasing order in your career. In this session I am teaching you in both language for student ease. Today I have chosen the topic article. I know it's bit of confusion in using article, what to use, where to use, but in this session all your doubts are going to be cleared. So let's just begin this session. Article. What is the article? So the answer is we are using it before the countable noun in sentence construction. Yes, to make your sentence grammatically correct, we need article. Now we know why we need to use article. Let's moving on. There are two type of article, definite and indefinite. T is definite article. We use definite article to point out और specify the particular object. इसे ऐसे समझिए तो जब हम किसी चीज़ के बारे में स्पेशली बात करें या पॉइंट आउट करते हुए बात करें वहाँ पर डेफिनेट आर्टिकल का यूज़ होता है, यानी द आर्टिकल का यूज़ होता है. चले आइए देखते हैं इनडेफिनेट आर्टिकल. A and N are the indefinite article. We use indefinite article before singular countable noun. They are used as a substitute for any, per and one. सिंगुलर काउंटेबल नाउन के आगे हमेशा ए एंड एन का आर्टिकल का यूज़ होता है. ये कह सकते हैं कि ये आर्टिकल एनी, पर, वन के जगह पर यूज़ हो सकता है. नाउ आई विल लेट यू नो मोर अबाउट इंडेफिनिट आर्टिकल. Indefinite article. Before we talking about indefinite article, we must know about vowel sound and consonant sound. Vowel sound, A, I, O, U, E. The initial letter of word which sounds like vowel sound, it will be considered as vowel sound. We use an article before the word which initial sounds like vowel, which means कोई भी वर्ड का इनिशियल लेटर अगर वॉवेल वर्ड की तरह साउंड करे तो वहाँ पे हम एन आर्टिकल यूज़ करते हैं वर्ड के पहले. Consonant sounds. Except of vowel sound, the initial letter of words which do not sound like vowel, there we are going to use a article before the word. अगर initial letter किसी भी word का vowel word की तरह sound नहीं करे वहाँ पे हम word के आगे a article का use करते हैं. Now we will see some examples of a or n. In this slide we can see some examples of indefinite articles. Just move on to example number 1. An MSc. Well, M is not vowel, but still here we are using an article because when we say MSc, the initial letter M sounds like M, AM. That's why we are using here an article. Now move on to example number 2. A Master of Science. The initials of master doesn't sound like vowel, so here we use a article. Now we can to move on to example number 3. A European tour. Here we should use an article. But why we are using article a? Just think of this. Let me tell you. When I say European, the initial of words EU giving the consonant sound YU. That's why we are using here a article. On the basis of above explanation, now you can understand all your example by your own. Let's moving further. In this slide, I am going to explain do's and don'ts for indefinite article. Number 1. A or an is not used before plural nouns. For example, a books, a university, a dinners, etc. This is completely wrong. We are not using a or an before the plural nouns. Now move on to 2. A or an is not used before uncountable noun. For example, an advice, an information extra. This is also completely wrong. Now move on to 3rd. A or an is not used before any name of meals. For example, let us have dinner. Let us have a dinner. A dinner is completely wrong. In other slide, we can use of definite articles. The is always used before the word which you use to specify or point out any object or a thing. The article always used preceded to the any word who belongs to holy book, epics, mountain ranges, national daily, political party, musical instrument, seas and ocean name, big river name, and important designation. Here, in all cases, we are going to use the before its name. At the end, if you find any difficulty for using article or having any confusion, please ask your queries in comment area. What topic you want it in next session? Please do let me know. Do like my video and subscribe to my channel. Till try to keep hydrate yourself with warm water. Don't go outside if it is not needed. Take care of your elder and younger ones. Eat healthy and live healthy.